But what should have been a day of celebration became one that led to a lot more confusion on who will be included in the scheme or who will be left out. Kik Tiangre reports.
मैं भर्ती हुआ उस टाइम पर हमारे गांव में मजदूर की 2 रुपया मजदूरी थी रोजाना की, और मैं फौज में गया जब 60 रुपया महीना का, तो 2 रुपया रोज की पड़ी.
A war veteran who served in both the 65 and 71 wars against Pakistan, his pension till date was a meager 3,500 rupees per month. Today he is hoping that will jump by roughly 4,000 rupees with the announcement of the one rank one pension. But he's cautious and doesn't want to start the celebrations just yet.
मेरा तो भरोसा नहीं है बढ़ेगी या नहीं. ये बोलते विधवा की बढ़ेगी, सिपाही की बढ़ेगी, सबकी बढ़ेगी, पर रिजर्व को तो नई फौज भी तो नहीं जानती रिजर्व भी कोई होता था.
Havildar Attar Singh also fought in the 1971 war, but when he lost his father in 1991, he was forced to leave the army to take care of his family back home. His basic salary then was only 1,250 rupees. With daily allowance and pension hike included, under the new pension, he is expected to take home close to 17,000 rupees per month, almost same as Subedar Sube Singh, who also left the army under similar circumstances. But there is still confusion over whether the premature retirement rule would keep them out of the one rank one pension benefits.
मेरे फादर एक्सपायर हो गए थे, घर में कोई नहीं था, इस वजह से हमने प्रीमेच्योर रिटायरमेंट लेनी पड़ी थी. बच्चे छोटे थे, इस वजह से घर आना पड़ा था.
वो आदमी खुश नहीं, अभी यहाँ से उठकर जाएंगे, बोला क्या अभी तुम्हारा कुछ बढ़ा है नहीं, गवर्नमेंट ने मानना है नहीं, ये क्या मुंह दिखाएंगे जाकर. अरे 82 दिन कैसे बैठे रहे, फिर तुमने जरूरत क्या हुई.
And they are still waiting to understand the fine print of the government's new rules, which according to sources will protect those who sought voluntary retirement in the past, though those retiring now may no longer get this benefit.
The one rank one pension announcement should have given veterans a reason to celebrate, but it's only led to more confusion on who will be included and who will be left out. Reason why the hunger strike still continues, as does the agitation. In New Delhi, Vishnu Ranjan Sen, Kit Kiangre for NDTV.